In May, I'm going to get my hearing tested, and then afterwards, you can see up close here, I'm going to get my ears pierced. The main reason why I'm not doing that beforehand is because they have that headphones, and they recommend that you shouldn't have anything pressing your ears, which is a good thing. I want to show you some beauty. Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be going to get my hearing test, and I'll be talking to them about my ears and if they would recommend that I get my ears pierced, and then I'll give you more information. If you want to know more about getting your ears pierced or finding out, more information, I'll put it in the links to my blogs from LiveJournal in the description box below, so that you can get more information than when I found. And then from there I'll give you the information, and then in the early summer I'll be getting my ears pierced, but I will be telling you about more information as I get it. Also, it's mainly because, I want to know. And with my hearing test, they're the specialist on that kind of thing, so I'll know and then inform you. I will also be writing a blog in my LiveJournal. And if you want to see the pics, I'll put the links below on my Facebook and my Facebook and my Instagram, as well as my Twitter. And I will also put on my Tumblr too. In the meantime, I'm going to find out if I can pierce these little guys. Yeah, they're little. Right there. Yeah, right there. And then, go from there. Also, if anybody knows of how I can keep from having my ears hurt while wearing clip, please let me know in the comment section below, and I'll tell you more about that then also. Have a great day and have fun, and let me show you a picture of me when I was a wee one. And Tashi and